Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? What we're going to give you here is a virtual experience of what it'd be like to come down to beautiful sunny Orange, California, come into our shop and actually pick out something in our shop to have completely restored for you. What we're going to do is going to be concentrating today on trade stimulators. Okay, it's Thursday for you, but it's my Friday. We're going to continue here with the Unrestored trade stimulators just for you. This is one of the most popular models. This is, yes, a Puritan baby bell vendor. We sell these as soon as we get them done. As you can see, the award card probably need to be replaced. It's got good bones. When this thing is shined up, it is absolutely stunning. What I like about this trade stimulators, they're almost like pieces of art that you can line up. A lot less room and less expensive than slot machines. So again, just to review what we do again is these are unrestored. We've got about 50 of them. No, we will not sell any of them raw. That's why we bought them. We are not offering any kind of restoration for the balance of the year because we're sold out. So if you would like this one, we will pull it from the shelf. We will put it on Jaime's bench. He will get it going within 60 days. What Jaime's going to do, he's going to tear this thing down completely. He's going to wash all the parts out. He's going to put it back together again. He's going to make sure it's mechanically sound like all of our products. Then we're going to have it out and get it polished up and paint it to factory colors. So don't wait in line. Don't wait till 2032. Get your restoration project going right now.
We really want to tell you we appreciate you watching our videos. We've done about 1,600 of them to date, and you guys respond very nicely to it, and we really appreciate it. So if you like them, man, smash the subscribe button, right? Boom, hit the subscribe button and click on the reminder button, and if you do that, you will get reminded. There's a little bell there. Click on that. What we'd like you to do is make comments, and please make sure you share it with your friends. You guys are taking us to the top of the YouTube channel, and if you do those three things, you'll be able to see us real time, especially if you hit the bell to remind you. It'll come up every time on your phone. We try to do a lot of fun stuff for y'all, and we appreciate you watching our videos. So let's smash it, let's grab it, let's watch them, let's comment, let's send us comments, share it with your friends. If you do that, you'll take us to the top, and we would really appreciate it.
These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.